Number one destiny. As in everything, number one denotes the first. Your strong sense of individuality and positive nature assure you of leadership in all your endeavors. You can never be regulated to a position of subservience. Determination is the strength of your ambition, and it manifests itself in an authoritative manner that shows your skill and expertise. Your originality, creativeness, and aggressiveness breathe life into your ideas and build them into productive form. You are blessed with executive ability and can manage the organization of any business, group, or household with great ease and success. You are at your best when you start any project from its conception and learn by your mistakes. Stand on your own feet no matter how difficult a situation may be, whether in business or of a personal nature. Always make your own decisions and stand by them in spite of advisors who are not in agreement. Developing new concepts and methods comes easily to you, and you must capitalize on this talent. Extend yourself in all fields of interest because success is yours no matter what area you delve into. Unless it is sensible or practical to do so, you will never walk the common paths, but search out new, more exciting ones, which will generally prove fruitful. There is no need to repeat yourself. You can take the lead in anything, and therefore new ideas are necessary. Select your own assistants carefully for any project. It is necessary to choose those that you can direct, inasmuch as your methods are bound to be revolutionary and require strict adherence to your instructions. Do not allow anyone to put you off or change your mind or interfere in your affairs, as your way is generally best. Accept all responsibility without concern, because you have the power to overcome all obstacles and turn them into assets. The negative aspects of your number encourage the tendency to become dictatorial and tactless. Diplomacy is always the best tactic with to get your way. Being dictatorial will negate your chances of success. Hypersensitivity is another negative aspect that must be controlled. It is difficult for you to accept criticism, yet you are rather critical of others. Allow your better instincts to prevail, and you should be able to subdue these negative qualities. Selfishness, depression, and vanity are other traits that negate your success. Your destiny will be one of great power and success if you accept the role of leader and play with it on all good faith, understanding, and generosity.